Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now by confirming your iPhone 15 is unlocked and has enough battery. This prevents interruptions. Open Settings, tap Cellular, and look for your ESIM list. Once you see the ESIM you want to remove, tap its label to reveal details. Make sure you know which ESIM is active versus standby, because removing the wrong one will drop service. If needed, note the carrier name and plan before proceeding so you can restore it later. You now remove the ESIM. Tap the chosen plan, then select Remove Cellular Plan or Delete ESIM from the menu. Read any carrier warnings. Some operators require account steps before full deactivation. Once you confirm, the phone will delete the profile and free the slot. This immediately disables service tied to that ESIM. If you plan to add a new ESIM, make sure you have the activation QR or carrier details ready so you can reprovision without delay. You finish by restarting the iPhone 15 to ensure all network settings refresh. This also clears any temporary registration data. If you need the plan again, re-add it using the carrier QR code or carrier app and follow on-screen activation. If the ESIM won't delete or re-add, make sure cellular settings aren't restricted, then reset network settings. If that fails, contact your carrier for profile removal. This resolves mismatched activations and account locks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.